students, in today's class we are going to discuss some problems. First, let G be a k-regular graph. G be a k-regular bigraph. Okay, bigraph meaning we can divide the vertex set into two such that each edge is from the set, the first set to the other one. Okay, that is the meaning of bigraph. And k-regular meaning each vertex has degree k. Each vertex has degree k. Okay. With the bipartition v1 v2. So this is the vertex set v1 v2 and k greater than 0. Prove that the cardinality of v1 is same as the cardinality of v2. That means the members in v1 is same as the members in v2. Number of members in v1 is same as the number of members in v2. Okay, the vertex in collection v1 is same as the elements, the vertex in collection v2. Okay, so we are going to prove this one. The elements in v1 is same as the elements in v2. Number. Okay, not the elements, same elements, the number of elements in v1 is same as the number of elements in v2. Okay, since every edge of G has one end at v1 and the other end at v2. That is the meaning of bigraph. Okay, a collection v1 is here, the collection of vertex, and here other collection of vertex. Okay, if we consider an edge, its endpoints are one is at v1 and other is at v2. Okay, so it follows that we have an idea, that is summation vi element of v. Okay, sorry, v not v1, degree of vi. If we consider the set v1 and take the sum of degrees of each vertex in v1. Okay, if we take that sum must be equal to what? Vi element of v2 degree of vi. Clear? That is the degree, the total degree of vertices in v2 is same as the total degree of vertices in v1. Because if we consider any edge, the one endpoint is in v1 and one endpoint is in v2. So each edge contributes degree 1 to v1 and degree 1 to v2. So these are same. And this total must be equal to number of edges. This is a PQ graph. P vertices Q edge graph. So the total edges. Am I right? Okay. Also, given that degree of each vertex are same as k, k-regular graph. So each vertex has degree k. So you can write it as this one is what? These are same. So you get this is the k into each vertex has degree k. So here we get total members in v1, that is the elements, number of elements in v1 into k is this one. This is total number of elements in v2 into k. Each vertex has degree k. So you get this. So you can cancel the k. So you get degree, cardinality of v1 is same as the cardinality of v2. Okay, I think it is clear to you. Next, let G be a PQ graph, all of whose points have degree k or k plus 1. So PQ graph is considering, that is P vertices and Q edges are there, and each edge each vertex has degree k or k plus 1, either k or k plus 1. If G has t greater than 0 points, it is t points of degree k. Okay, show that t equal to p into k plus 1 minus 2k. So we are going to prove this one. Okay, so given that t points have degree k, so other remaining, how many points are there? P minus t. Okay, total p points. Okay, t points have k, so other p minus t elements vertices has degree k plus 1. Okay, so we can say that degree summation v element of v, degree v is what? T k, that is t elements are t vertices as k degree plus p minus t vertices as k plus 1 degree. Right, this is same as 2q. Okay, this is same as 2 into q, which is equal to tk plus p minus t into k plus 1. Okay, which is equal to tk plus pk minus tk. Okay, plus p minus t. So here tk, this one cancel, then we get pk plus p minus t. Okay, so taking t to the other side, we get t equal to, this one is p into k plus 1, this to the other side, that is 2q. Oh sorry, here not k, this is 2q, sorry. Okay, so you get 2q. T is equal to p into k plus 1 minus 2q. I think it is clear to you. Next question is, the maximum degree of any point in a graph with p points. If a graph has p points, okay, maximum degree for a vertex, okay, is maximum degree must be equal to how many possible edges are there? P minus 1 possible edges are there. Okay, in a simple graph. Okay, then next, give 3 examples for a regular graph of degree 2, that is 2 regular graph. Okay, one example, 2 regular graph means every vertex has degree 2. So examples are like this. This is a vertex. Then this is an example of a 2 regular graph. This is also an example of a 2 regular graph. If we consider any vertex, its a degree is 2. Okay, and also we can consider this one, that is okay, each vertex has a degree 2. Next, give 3 examples for a regular graph of degree 3. 3 degree means every vertex must have a degree 3. So like this. This is a regular 3 graph. Okay, if we consider the 6 edges like this, then if we consider like this, then we can say that this one is goes to this. Okay, each vertex has degree 3. So this is a regular 3 graph. 3 regular graph. Clear?